I love adding vignettes to my photos. They create such a wonderful mood and other professional touch. Let me share with you a simple guide on how to add a vignette effect to your photos in Photoshop. In fact, a vignette is a cool effect that makes the edges of your photo darker or lighter than the middle. Think of it like a frame that fades into your picture. I find that dark vignettes work best for most photos. They really make the middle of your image pop. So, if you want to add a vignette to your photo, you first need to open it in Photoshop. The photo will show up as a background layer, but it's locked. You will need to unlock it before you can do anything else. To work with the photo, you should convert it to a smart object, and this is easy. Just unlock and select the layer with your photo and then click on the filter in the upper menu. Now find a convert to smart filters and click on it. In the next step, still editing the layer with the photo, go back to the filter again and now find a camera raw filter. Now in the camera raw filter window, look for effects. That is where all the important stuff you need for adding a vignette to your photo. Under the effect, you will see something called vignetting. This is where you can make your vignette darker or lighter. And it works so simple. Moving the slider right makes the edges brighter, while moving the slider left makes the edges darker. What I like is that there are multiple styles for vignettes. You have a highlight priority that helps bright spots in your photo shine through the vignette. Then you have a color priority, which is great for keeping color strong. And the last one is paint overlay, which is perfect for a classic professional photo look. You can also change a midpoint to make the vignette bigger or smaller. Then you can change roundness to customize the shape from round to square. And you also have something called feathering that can make the edges soft or sharp. In my experience, dark vignettes work great for portraits, while light vignettes are perfect for dreamy, bright photos. Also, the medium feathering usually looks most natural, and the roundness at about 50% often works best. As you see, vignettes are simple but powerful. They can turn an okay photo into something special. Start with subtle effects. You can always make them stronger. I use vignettes in most of my photo editing because they guide the viewer's eye right where I want it to go. So, I hope you found this short video tutorial helpful, and if you like it, subscribe to the channel to get more tutorials about Photoshop.